Dating is getting hot in the metaverse, per exclusive Reddit data. Continue to watch if you want to learn more. Before we go into detail, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content. And if you want to continue getting this value for free, help us win the YouTube algorithm. You know what to do. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today. Lovers are eager to engage in the metaverse in order to meet new people, per exclusive data from Reddit. And after 2+ years of the pandemic, they're more ready than ever to get their flirt on in these burgeoning virtual spaces. So, what are the reasons behind this trend? Reality can't be kept at bay forever. Let's meet at the diner on the corner. Long distance, primarily virtual relationships are rarely set up for success. In fact, the average long-distance relationship lasts less than 5 months. It's clear that while internet users may be finding love in new spaces, they can't escape the real world forever. But what Gage and the Reddit team have discovered is that for couples who found love in the metaverse, these virtual spaces and experiences will continue to play a role in their real-life relationships. We're already seeing indications of this sort of hybrid relationship, where just because you met in the metaverse and now you're in real life doesn't mean that you leave the metaverse behind, says Gage. Different kinds of relationships, anything goes is the new norm. The metaverse is also ripe for forming different kinds of relationships. Gage suggests that double dating will become more seamless as couples don't need to live in proximity to meet up. Increasingly, users are turning to VR and the possibilities of emergent tech to not only connect with long-distance friends and romantic partners, but even to immortalize loved ones who have passed. If you want to know more about NFTs, non-fungible tokens, DeFi, decentralized finance, crypto trading, and the metaverse, then the links below will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. Implications for marketers. The explosion of interest in metaverse relationships presents a whole gamut of valuable opportunities for brands. The Reddit team believes that certain industries might be better poised for success early on. In some ways, your dream home should be in the virtual space, and then you don't necessarily need as much of it in real space, says Gage. Before we go, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content like this video you just watched. And if you got some sort of value from this video, please smash the like button, smash subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you always get alerted when we publish value-driven content like this before anyone else does. And together we win. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects, which will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today.